soap enriches with pure Ganoderma, that is our red mushroom, extracted palm oil. Okay, it has palm oil in it. What does it help in? It washes away our dirt from our body, our bacteria, whatever we have in our body, it washes away all that from our skin. Then it even it preserves our skin with that natural oil what is there, that is our palm oil. It preserves our skin. It also helps in smoothing our body skin. Wrinkles, if, for example, if you give any old person, like, when they get old, their skin gets wrinkled, right? So you have them use it. In an example I give you, my mom, she's already 70 plus. You know how their skin gets. She's loving the soap. She said, my wrinkles are all gone. She's just like, see how my skin looks now. So you can suggest in each and every household you can have this Ganosy soap. Just imagine if you have 100 distributors of you and each and every person has one soap they're buying in their family or 2 soap in their family. How much can you earn? So just imagine about the beauty of the products. Okay, it can be used, the soap can be used for everybody, from old people to even children, even young children can use it. All right. Then I'm going to talk about our next is our Ganosy Plus shampoo. Okay. DXN Ganosy Plus shampoo is a new variant of hair shampoo formulated by DXN, which is enriched with Ganoderma extract, vitamin B5, and enhances with hair conditioner. Even it has hair conditioner also in it. It has no artificial color. It has pH balance and is suitable for all types of hair, leaving your hairs silky, soft, and glossy. So anybody can use it. Even women can use, even men can use it. So that's our details about our Ganosy Plus. Then after that, we use our toothpaste. The toothpaste is one of our best. I think, if you go to see, if you want us to talk about toothpaste, we can talk a lot about this. Our Ganosy Plus toothpaste. Really good. Okay, it's not only a toothpaste, it's a multi-purpose. It's a multi-purpose toothpaste. Alright? Let me explain you about little bit about the toothpaste. Ganosy toothpaste contains no coloring, okay, but with high quality of Ganoderma extracts, food gel, menthol, okay, and also food flavoring. It can effectively clean your teeth for fresh breath. Like if everybody has, a lot of people have, bad breath when they wake up in the morning, especially, guys and in couples. Like it's for guys also. If you really want to, once you wake up in the morning and you, before going to work, you want to kiss your wife or so-and-so, please use your Ganosy toothpaste. You know why? Because it'll give them, otherwise they're going to smell the bad breath. The whole day is gone of hers. She's going to probably cook you something, maybe she might cook you dal khichdi or something. So please use your Ganosy toothpaste, and our Ganosy toothpaste is not only a toothpaste, actually, if you go to see, it helps in bleeding of our gums. If we have any gum problem, bleeding of our gums, swollen gums, just apply some in the area and it can cure it. You have just got to apply some and it can cure. It can cure any disease what you have inside your mouth. Like if anybody has any ulcers in the mouth, it can clear that. Okay. Then even if anybody after meals, when they have sometimes, a lot of Indians like to eat a lot of onions, right? So Indians like to eat onions. So after that, our mouth can smell the onion flavor. So you need to brush your teeth with it, because before going to bed, the same thing you might get from your wife, like, why is your mouth smelling with onions? So you brush your teeth with our Ganergy toothpaste. It will clear the freshness of your mouth. It will really give you good freshness in your mouth. And even for smokes, people smoking can use it. Okay. Then it is also, you can say, for gastric problem. I don't know if anybody knows, like, if a toothpaste can cure a gastric problem, if you have gastric problem, then you just imagine what is the beauty of the toothpaste. It can clear your gastric problem also. All you got to do is just put a little bit of toothpaste in warm water, stir it, and drink it. For men, it's good for shave. When you're shaving, instead of buying a special different shaving cream, you can use your toothpaste and shave. And it can be used in two ways. You can use for before shave and after shave also. It really refreshes your face. It gives, the energy in your face. It makes you smile. It makes a fresh, bright. Headaches. For example, if somebody has an headache, okay, just apply a little bit of toothpaste on your hand, a little bit of water, a few drops of water, maybe 1 or 2 drops of water, and apply it. 5 minutes, trust me, 5 minutes. In case if anybody says that my headache is not gone within 5 minutes, I give them guarantee money back for this toothpaste. Guarantee money back. Trust me. You buy the toothpaste and you say that I got a headache and my headache is not gone back, I will give you the money back. But because I know the quality of this, because I use it and a lot of us use it. So we can see that, our toothpaste can help us with that also. And during the COVID, as a lot of people of us in this COVID season, we get bad sore throat. So same, you add a little bit of Ganergy toothpaste in it, hot water or warm water according to what kind of water you can take. Whilst gargling, you can gargle it. It will kill all the bacteria. So you just imagine, we can talk, almost 30 minutes, we can only talk about toothpaste. But we do not have that much of time. So we'll just cut it short. Then we go with our beauty of our toothbrush. A toothbrush is it's a really good toothbrush. It's designed to clean our tongue also. I know if anybody have noticed any other toothbrushes, it has this thing in the back, this rough thing that is used to clean your tongue. It can clean your tongue and remove the bacteria, and as well as give you freshness in your mouth. Okay. After that, we're going to go with our another product, our cleansing gel. That also everybody requires it after we wake up in the morning. After we brush our teeth, we need our cleansing gel. So cleansing gel is also a really good one. I hope everybody is listening well. Is everybody listening it? Is everybody listening?
Yes, leader, yes.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Thank you.
We are listening.
Thank you. Okay. Our aloe vera cleansing gel is a soap-free, contains 100% natural aloe vera extracts. Aloe vera is a plant which has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Now, if you guys know, the name of aloe vera has driven from an Arabic and Latin word. In Arabic, they call it alohi, means shine and brighter substitutes in Arabic language, okay? And in vera means true in Latin. Vera means true in Latin. Benefits of our aloe vera cleansing gel: tightens our skin, okay? Has an anti-aging effect as well. Softens our hardened skins. If like our skin gets too hard, it softens our other hardened skin cells and dry skins. It softens the skin up. Okay, transform old skin to young looking by making it more elastic and reducing wrinkles. So if you use these two things, our Ganozi soap and our aloe vera cleansing gel, you will find a lot of difference in your skin. And I really recommend everybody to try to promote it to, have your parents use it. They will really love it. They will say, wow, where they got this? Probably, because our parents is our best sellers, They will promote our products like this. You won't imagine, because my mom, she promotes my products like I have 50% of my business just from India. So imagine how our parents can promote our business. By using this, they will see, and they will, because they have a lot of friends. So their friends, old people, interact very soon. It's just like kids interact with each other. The old people also have the same habit. And then we're going to go with my favorite, all-time favorite, is our Gano massage oil. Okay, this Gano massage oil, basically when you're using it, we need to shake it really well, because you go to see in the bottom, there's all our mushroom extract which settles down in the bottom. So every time you use it, you need to shake it really, really good, so that till you see the white portion down, because all our Gano massage extract is all over there in the bottom. Okay, let's talk about it, because it's not much to talk about it, but it's really good because it's a multi-use product again. Okay, Gano massage oil contains the fresh, contains finest palm oil and Ganoderma extract substitute. Okay, for every massage needs. It is all natural and rich in antioxidant. Best for all skin types and ages. You can use it for kids also. A lot of people, when, like in different countries, a lot of people use to massage their babies, the newborns, after this thing. You can really recommend that, because their bones will become strong, and, they will be healthy from the beginning. Okay. Benefits of Gano massage oil improves blood circulation. Okay, reduces inflammation. Like, if you have any swelling or something, it will reduce that. Prevents rash. Okay, then prevents dandruff. You can use it for your hair as well. And I will get back with you all with another thing about how we'll talk about the hair loss and all that. Okay, skin moisturizer, lip moisturizer. It's a skin moisturizer as well as lip. Okay, wounds healing. If you have a wound, also you can use it for any wounds, any kind of wounds. Just on a gauze pad, put a little bit of Gano massage oil and leave it. Do not tape it up. Just leave it with a gauze pad. Put a good amount of Gano massage oil and leave it on it and keep it over there. Do not tape it up, because the air needs to circulate. And trust me, wounds will really heal up very soon. Release joint pains and it heals also bed sores. Like, people who are bedridden for a long time, who, have disorders or something, and you massage it on their back, and any sores in their back, it'll heal it, because it's another kind of disease. What people, when they get old and all that, they cannot get out of the bed, so they are all the time on the bed. So they have some wounds on their back, which is called bed sores. So it heals bed sores as well. Then we're going to talk about I'm going to introduce something new, which I learned new. Okay, it's our virgin coconut oil. I think I'm going to try this soon, because I've learned about it more, but it's really good, I heard. Okay, so all of you need to try this, because the virgin coconut oil, you can use it for cooking. Okay, then you can use it even for your, on your salad dressing. All right, and also for baking. And not only that, during this COVID time, you just take some of the virgin coconut oil and rub it on your nose and your nostrils. Okay, it can prevent the bacteria from entering your nostrils. Okay, so that is another this. Just rub it on your nose and your nostrils over here. And you can give it to kids also. It's kids friendly. You give them in their food or anything, they will like it. And for adults, you can take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of the oil directly, and any bacteria during COVID, it will prevent the bacteria from going inside. It will all collect all your bacteria, whatever infection you got of COVID, it will all collect it, because this oil has Ganoderma leucinium in it. Okay, it got Ganoderma leucinium in it. So you just imagine oil. It's a cooking oil. You can use it for cooking, baking, and even on your dressing, and you can prevent it for your COVID time. Okay. Then we're going to go with my favorite is I don't know how many I can drink a day. My Lindsay lemon tea. Okay. It comes in sachets. Actually, if you go to see, it comes in sachets. Would recommend everybody, during COVID also, you can have it, because this has our Ganoderma in it as well, and it has peel of lime in it. Okay, so if you have noticed, a lot of American restaurants, I don't know if anybody has noticed, a lot of American restaurants, they use this lime peel and orange peels on their garnishing. Why? Because this helps it has a lot of vitamin C. Lime peel, not the skin, the peel, the skin, they grate it and they put it as garnish, because lime and lemon has a lot of vitamin C in it. So this vitamin C we need in our body during this COVID. Okay, our lemon C, and you just normally they recommend us to take it during this COVID. They recommend us to take this in warm water or lukewarm water. Avoid cold water. Okay, but it depends upon person to person how they want to drink it. It's really good. Even if you have it cold, you can make a cold iced tea out of it. You can add some sabja and some mint leaves. Is also good if you want to have it in cold. You can add some mint leaves in it, and it's really good. What does the benefits of lemon tea does? Helps cough, asthma, and other respiratory disorders. Helps losing of weight. Boost your immunity system. As I said, it has vitamin C in it, so it boosts your immunity system in it. Okay, helps reduce risk of diabetes. So it helps in reducing risk of diabetes. Increases your stamina. Whenever you have a tough long day, just have your lemon tea. It'll boost you up. Okay, tones your muscles and skins. Your muscles and skin also. It helps in growing up your skin properly. Any disease or anything, it helps. Helps in reducing cholesterol. So, and then I'm going to go with another one is our Lindsay Black Coffee. Our Lindsay Black Coffee. This also comes in sachets. Okay, you can use half of it. It depends on person to person how they want to have it. They can have it half pack, or you can take a full this thing. It's a little bit bitter because this doesn't have any sugar in it. Sorry, you can have it without sugar also. It depends on person to person how they like to have their coffee. All right, let's talk about it a little bit. TXL Lindsay Black Coffee contains instant coffee of the finest quality of Ganoderma extracts. Lindsay Black Coffee without sugar is perfectly suited for the health, because they say the Lindsay Black Coffee, if you have it without sugar, it suits your health. Because why? There are a lot of other reasons. Okay, it gives you the satisfaction taste of a real coffee. I have never seen any coffee before like this, because I'm a coffee lover. I like black coffee. But as for me, when I used to drink coffee, there was no way that I can sleep. I like black coffee strong. But there was no way that I could go to sleep. This coffee, I can drink it anytime. Even if I want, I can drink it in the night. I'm okay. Okay. Improves blood circulation, reduces cancer risk, prevents heart diseases. Okay. Prevents depression. If you're depressed, you can have that also. Enhances energy, prevents strokes. Okay. If anybody is going to have a stroke or chances of, then prevents diabetes, remove toxin from your body, protects your liver, weight loss, prevents Parkinson's. All right. So